In the World Economic Forum, where world leaders were preparing speeches on inflation, climate, finance, and AI, Trump dropped a line that didn't even belong there. Greenland is critical for our security. And just like that, an island most people can't even place on the map correctly hijacked the world's most elite economic gathering in Davos. This wasn't Trump being random. This was Trump being very Trump. No talks of war, no tanks, just pressure in the form of tariffs, alliances, and a reminder that power today doesn't always arrive with soldiers. Sometimes it arrives with spreadsheets. Here's what made that line so explosive. First of all, Greenland isn't just ice. It's the largest island on Earth, sitting quietly in the Arctic, owned by Denmark but governing itself. Not fully independent, not fully European either. It sits between North America and Europe, and in geopolitics, where you sit often matters more than what you have. For decades, Greenland was ignored because it was frozen. Now, the ice is melting. That means new shipping lanes. That means access to rare minerals. And that means military advantage in the Arctic, a region where the US, Russia, and China are all watching each other very closely. So when Trump spoke about Greenland, he wasn't talking about just land. He was talking about the future map of power. Denmark heard that message loud and clear. So did Greenland. The response was quite simple: we are not for sale. Because this wasn't just about security anymore, it was about sovereignty. Who decides the fate of territory in a world driven by strategic interests? After tense conversations behind closed doors, the temperature dropped. Tariff threats were withdrawn. A vague framework was announced, no winner declared, but no questions left unanswered either. So remember this: Greenland didn't become important because Trump mentioned it. Trump mentioned it because the world is changing. And in that changing world, even ice can become a weapon. The world is changing faster than the news can explain. If you want to understand why things happen, not just what happened, like and subscribe to Quick Projects.